Good morning, everybody. Let me turn this off. Me and the fam bam, mommy's in the dark over there. We are heading to Disney! Yay! I'm so excited. It's gonna be a good trip. We're just getting on the road, so it's gonna take us about 3 hours to get there. And because we're staying on property, we get to go to... Got cut off. Because we're staying on property, we have the chance to go to Blizzard Beach today. So that is gonna be the fun times today. See you soon. So we're at the rest stop to make a potty break, and we're getting Dunkin'. We're about 30 minutes out, so hopefully we can have an early check-in so my mom can get some rest, because she's not functioning very well right now. But Miss Ava is excited. It was a pretty good drive up, so.
Are we almost there?
Yes, we're almost there after the 50 millionth time we've been asking that. That sign says over there? What does that say? Tell me what that says right there. There, you missed it! Yes, Disney. We try again. It'll say Disney World on it, okay? It's a sign to tell people where to go, so it's gonna come back. People need to know where they're going, right? That's why it's important to learn how to read so we know where to go, remember?
Yeah.
Yep. So we know how to read things. Entering Orange County. Orange County is where Mickey Mouse lives, just so you know. Just so you know.
For real, Mom?
Yes.
Is that a joke or a lie?
Is that a what?
Is that really a joke?
It's not a joke. I'm telling you the truth. He lives in Orange County. That's where Disney is. All right, coming up to our exit here. 251.
Can't wait to go to Disney World.
Ah!
Mama, what are you doing?
I'm documenting for future embarrassment. Hallelujah!
Something, and we would get excited about it as kids, and then I realized too we would go to the window of the pet store, and that was our WT version of like
In 2 miles, take the exit towards Disney's All-Star Resort and Blizzard.
You sure you don't want one? You should.
Alright, let's see. There you go.
Awesome. See? Look. 3, 2, 1.
Now I'm gonna swim.
No. You gonna swim on that side?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
No. Stay right here, girl. Ava, don't play with me. Hold on.
It's gonna be bumpy a little.
Are you trying to run away?
No.
Yeah, but I don't think we're gonna take all those steps again.
Where's the third one?
It's to the
No,
right
Ava.
again. It's gonna be like
A good day, Ava?
Of course.
We are on the ski lift. What are we looking at? Oh yeah. You want to go over there? Stay in the pool the whole day. There's so much to do here.
Yeah, so after this, we're gonna go over there.
Okay, no problem.
Oh. Why is it going so slow?
Because it can't go fast. I don't want to go fast on this. No. Look. Somebody's coming down. Look. Woo!
Where? What is it? Hey, that does not even look creepy at all. It's just a big drop.
It is a very big drop.
So we're
Not your butt, you silly goose.
Then what are we gonna land on?
Go, Ava! Woo! Did you have a good day? A good first day on your Easter break?
Yeah.
You loving those chips over there? Woo, Mama is tired. Today is Monday. And I'm going to Epcot today. So I'm like, we're doing early entry, but bruh, and our neighbor is so annoying. They have this alarm. They don't answer their alarm. They don't stop it. They just let it ring 4:30 in the morning. What are you doing? Anyway, I needed to do that. Ooh, yuck. I'm just a girl trying to wake up. So I'm gonna go take a shower and then get myself dressed and all that, and then wake up my mom and Ava. It's about 6:15. The goal is to leave the park. I'm sorry. The goal is to leave the hotel by 7:45. I think is fair, so we can get there at like 8:15 and be ready for it 8:30. I don't know. First time doing this, we'll see. But we're all really tired. And we have multi-pass, we have a single pass. So we're gonna make this work. We're also gonna take a break in the middle of the day to come back, especially because we're staying on property, just to like rest and recoup and then go back in the evening. We have a Remy multi-pass for like 4:30 or something. And I feel like by that time, a lot of the crowds will have dispersed. So we can do whatever we didn't get to do in the morning. So I'm really excited. I haven't been to Epcot since I did Candlelight in high school. So we are well overdue. So we are slowly making moves. Ava and my mom are looking at me like, girl, why you got us going to the freaking park so early in the morning? Next time I'm coming to Disney, I'm by myself. But it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. You can definitely see movement on the property. People not playing about this getting up early business. So we gonna see.
For my sister's night.
Whoa! Okay, you'll be fine.
Let it go. Let it go.
For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backwards and may stop momentarily.
This is Station Bird Control. Welcome aboard.
A Paris in turn creates better record keeping, plans, designs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization.
More salt there, mate. Fish and friends for food.
Guys, I'm so excited. I can't even like. We're about to ride Guardians of the Galaxy. Cosmic Rewinds. I wonder what song we're gonna get.
That both are still sending you data about their surroundings. Most impressive.
Thumbs up? Can I get a thumbs up? Okay.
I find
Okay. What a morning. Whoosh. I'm ready to rest these feet for a little. We just got back to the resort, and I have to say, Disney transportation is so efficient. Like, literally every between 18 to 20 minutes, another bus is coming. And so we're just taking a little break. Ava Joy is fighting off something. She doesn't have any symptoms. She's not coughing. She's not sneezing. But she did have a fever. So I didn't even know that they had a first aid at Disney Springs. That's definitely a very big list. I hope they did our room already. Please, Lord. Please, please, please. Let them have done our room already. I just want to take a bath so desperately. Okay, so update. We are here at Hollywood Studios because we had just missed the bus for Epcot. Which is probably better anyway to take the Skyliner because it drops us right in the back where Remy is, and we have about 10 minutes to get there. Send help. Come, babe. Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner and Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope...
Okay, so we made it. I didn't realize it was gonna be that long, but it's okay. We missed our multi-pass lane for the Remy ride, but we're just gonna wait. Like, at this point, we've pretty much gone on all of the rides except for Figment and Living with the Land. Oh, and the Mexican ride, which that I want to do. But yeah, like at this point, we're just gonna wait the 50 minutes and, or maybe go watch Belle first and then do the wait for Remy and then just hang out, eat some food until the fireworks at 9 o'clock. Right now it is about 6. Excuse me. Yeah, it's like 6 and change. So yes.
Tonight, Chef Remy is preparing one of his specialties, which I am certain you will enjoy. Remember,
We're ready. The Olmecs. No, I got it. We're gonna go find a spot after we eat. So today's checkout day. We have some cheerleaders doing some practice over there. Ava, did you have fun? You had fun? Okay. We're sad. We don't want to have to leave today, but party done. Party done, money done, energy done. But it was nice. It was really great weather. So I'm glad that it was a good weekend. Much needed. And tomorrow I'm off, so I get to rest. And then Thursday is the corporate 5K. So lot of thing for do. My favorite ride, it was, what do you think? Guardians of the Galaxy.
It was a blast. You were so happy.
Yeah, I was very happy.
You were scary because you were happy.
I was happy and I was having fun. Go ahead.
I was like screaming.
All right.
Too bad I didn't scream.
It's okay. Okay. Bye, hotel. Until next time. Oh, I didn't realize it was going to cover.
Look at the bus that you're missing. Look at that bus that you're missing.
Oh, Encanto. Bye, All Stars. See you next time.